Hey guys, once again welcome back to our channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet crop top designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel. First and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and extremely designs shown to you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such designs. So friends, today's video is amazing. Every video has a lovely design for you guys. If you know how to do the crochet work yourself, you can do the work yourself with a beautiful piece of cloth. And if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my video and show it to someone else. And you can make a similar designs for yourself. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kinds of crochet related designs. So you guys can see different designs in it. Different colors are being shown to you which you have never seen before. You will find all kinds of designs related to crochet on my channel. Support my channel as much as you can. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Stay with me. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. And bye.